There's something special about Sundays, especially the ones where you log out of your phone and plug into real life instead. No doom scrolling today. No, that's not gonna happen. Instead, just some old memories, future plans, and a quiet little mission to refresh our space, one furniture hunt at a time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon. I'm in my 30s and I live with my husband. We are basically from Chandigarh, but we have been living in Gurgaon for the past 10-11 years. And well, happy Sunday. I hope whenever you're watching this, you're having a wonderful day, week or weekend. Today we are heading out to Delhi for a little home refresh mission because I'm so done with our crusty old furniture. We need to start looking for some new pieces. I am not rushing it though, just starting and maybe reliving a few sweet memories along the way. So basically we are heading out to Kirti Nagar for some furniture window shopping, and it's very near to Rajouri Garden. If you've watched my older vlogs, you know that AB used to live there in his bachelor days, and Rajouri always brings nostalgia. It always feels like flipping through an old chapter. I just love that about Delhi, like every corner has its own story. And today I'm so excited to head out. So as you saw, I've already got dressed. I have my pink Zara shirt on with a white tank top which is from Westside, and I wanted to show you this. Like, this is such a statement piece. It is from this Instagram store called Gold Dust. I got it while my sister was visiting me. So we went to Cyber Hub over the weekend when she was visiting, and there was this jewelry pop-up, and when I laid eyes on this one, I knew I had to get it. I'm gonna share the deets in the description, so check it out if you like it. And well, I am just gonna film a few short form content here on my vanity, and then after doing so, I'm gonna make some coffee to go. Like, we will be spending a lot of time out today and even grabbing a bite lunch, dinner. So I thought, why not, to save money where I can. So after I'm done filming, I'm gonna go quickly into the kitchen and make 2 coffees to go. That's pretty much the plan. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Alright you guys, I somehow managed to film 3 shots. I'm really proud of myself, but now I need to make our coffees because AV is practically half asleep. He has no energy to go, so I need to make it quickly, and I'm confused between this Kohoma brand coffee and our favorite to go, Basan Khan. I think I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow and use the Basan Khan because I know for sure that this is gonna wake us up. So let's make it.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper. So now you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away.
Guys, the power went out before I could extract the second shot. It's a sign we'll have to get 1 coffee from outside, but let's see. I'm not even sure if there is a coffee shop on the way. I don't think so there is, but we've got 1 coffee. We'll share, we'll make do. Let's pack it up and hit the road. guys, we are making a quick stop at Narayana. There's this place called what is it called? Paul or Paul's? So there's this place called Paul, and AB insisted on grabbing a bite from here. There's this veg patty that he used to have in his bachelor days. So we're gonna make a quick stop, have it, and then head out to Kirti Nagar. Let's see what's the hype about. There's no Paul Bakery here, so AB has just stepped out to check if it is the same place. Now it is known as Hans Bakery. Let's see if he comes back. Let's see if he comes back with a patty in hand. Guys, we just got free from the furniture shop, and I think we are getting a new dining table. We needed to refresh it so badly. It was so outdated, and we found a sweet spot between modern furniture and practicality. I think it should be here in what, about I think 10-15 days.
10 days.
So
Earlier
really,
than 10 days.
earlier than 10 days. We'll have to get rid of our old one. It's too soon, but the heart wants what it wants, and we are really excited. It's already 5 p.m. We are super hungry, and we have decided to head out to Pacific Mall. It's been ages since we both went there. We used to go there all the time, and I'm so excited. God knows I might shop a bit, but we need to grab something to eat right away. So let's go. There's so much traffic today, not even sure if we are gonna get a parking spot. Let's see. Guys, it was so crowded that day. AP dropped me in front of the mall and headed out in the basement to park the car, and because it was taking so much time, I stepped into Uniqlo. You already know I'm on a hunt for new t-shirts, and that is what I'm trying here. Soon AB was back, and we headed out to Cafeteria and Co. We had to wait for 15 minutes because it was the weekend. But well, something caught my eye. This ube, like purple ube cafe latte. Oh my god. We had to get it, and we did get it. I also got a sushi roll. I think it was the soy glazed shiitake roll. Fun fact, I only like veg sushi, and AB ordered something completely different. He ordered a Greek style char grilled pizza. Both of the dishes were phenomenal, but this latte was so good. It was mind-blowing actually. If you ever go there, there's one outlet in Cyber Hub. So if you ever go there, you have to try this. And here we are at a pop-up of Daniel Wellington, and oh my god, I am in love with this watch. I think I have to go back and get it. I made a quick stop at Nykaa because I had to get a little something, and then while going back to the parking, stumbled upon this bookshop. So guys, we're back home, and oh my god, it was such a busy day at the mall today. So many people, but let me quickly show you what all I got. So firstly, I went to Uniqlo and I got 2 t-shirts. The first one is this white and navy blue t-shirt, the Snoopy t-shirt. I really like this one. It looked really good, and if you are already caught up on my vlogs, you know that I was looking for some new t-shirts. And I also got another basic one. It's really simple. A beige colored t-shirt. I think it would look really good with black shorts, leggings and whatever. I just needed a few comfy pieces to wear around the house. And then a little something from Nykaa. I got this mini Benetint. I really wanted to have it in my makeup rotation. Just some tint on the lips and the cheeks for summers. It's been really hard with the heat and all to wear makeup every day. Thought of adding it to my daily routine for some flush and color. And then from the local market, here's what I got, like from the local market of Rajouri. No trip is complete without it. I got some really pretty scrunchies. First is this one. Like, it looks so good. The next is this blue metallic one with these hanging ribbons. Then I got these three as well. A peach, butter yellow and a green moment. When I saw this claw clip, it reminded me of mom, so I got this one for her. And this one's for me. You know my obsession with butter yellow, and this would look so good in summers. I also saw this pair of silver hoops and got it just because. Guys, it was only for 50 rupees. I thought, why not? And the last thing is this really pretty silver ring. This is anti-tarnish. That is all I got today. And apart from all of this, I think I've already mentioned that we did make a booking for a new dining table. And guys, this is such a full circle moment because AB and I used to roam in the streets of Rajouri Garden, and now we are shopping for our home. It feels just so surreal, and it's crazy how places can hold feelings after so many years. Like, it has been easily 8 to 9 years. And with that, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I just wanted to say that not every day needs to be productive. Some days are just meant to be lived. Ditch your phone, live in the moment and enjoy. So if you needed a sign to put your phone down, step into fresh air, run a few errands, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. On this channel, I share all things productivity, lifestyle, daily diaries, my morning and evening routines, ups and downs and chaos of everyday life. So if any of that is your jam, definitely hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join the fam, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long. So long.